What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So before I left for vacation last week, Paul was on vacation the previous week, and I was here by myself, and I actually ended up doing some painting. It was actually my first paint job since like 2012, and I didn't really have time to edit the video and post it. So now that I'm back and everything, here's the video. And yes, that is a 1000 horsepower Lamborghini Evo right there behind me. But back to the video. Here we have this little Kia, and we have a bit of quarter damage. We need to pull this out and install the door. So I'm going to weld these Mo-clamp brackets onto the edge here and use that to pull it out. And then we'll line it up with the door and get the body work done, get everything put back together and paint it. It'll be done. There you go, guys. We got it all lined up with the door. Now we need to cut off these pins, finesse it a little bit more, and put some body filler on it. I got the doors all sprayed in, and they look really good. Got minimum trash in it, and it's nice and flat. Even though they look really good and the clear coat laid down really nice, I made a huge mistake, guys. I should have cleaned this paint booth out, and it's all because instead of cleaning all this stuff out, because you know when we get busy with small jobs, it builds up like this. I ended up scooting everything out of the side of the camera. So this is a lesson for me to not be fake and always clean the paint booth out. So basically, here's what happened. This is the paint that I started with. I used maybe like a little bit less than half, and you can see it says Kia Pearl 2 Coat. This Nissan paint right here was sitting around in the same vicinity. It's also black Pearl 2 Coat, and it's, you know, it's got some black on there. So when I came over here to refill my cup, I ended up grabbing the wrong paint instead of the right paint. And I didn't catch that until after the clear coat got laid down. So now everything has to be repainted. So yeah, good job, Yuri. Da. So anytime you are going to wet sand any kind of primer or anything really, you want to check your block, make sure that it's nice and smooth. These blocks take a lot of beating. They'll get chunks taken out of them. They'll have like, they can get stuff embedded into them, or even you can get Bondo, or anything can happen to them. So what I do is I'll take my flat block and I'll get another flat block, and with a piece of 80 grit, just sand it. And this just ensures that you get a nice, flat, fresh surface. And yeah, eventually your blocks will thin out. You have to get new ones, but it takes a while because they don't get damaged that fast unless you really jack them up. So you just keep sanding until you just see flatness. Man, that's such a shame. You paint something, it turns out beautiful. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna redo it, and it's gonna turn out even better next time. Now that we are finished with the clear coat, it is time to hit it with the spot blender. There's 2 spots I decided to blend because I did not want to mess with going inside that door. So we're going to blend them in real quick and we will be done for the night. Just like that. What this spot blender does is it eats away both of the clear coats just a little bit, and that's why you want to spray this right after you're done, because when your clear coat is still fresh, this stuff will not harm it. But if your fresh clear coat dries up a little bit and you try to use this, it's going to destroy it. So you want to spray this right after your final coat, and it will eat away a little bit of the old clear and it'll etch itself into it. And then when you sand it, you won't see the line. Guys, the Kia is 100% complete, and I know, I'm sorry, I did not film assembling it, but I'm on a time crunch. I need to get this thing done. I'm by myself. I just didn't have time to do everything besides get the car done. He's on his way to pick it up, and man, it turned out so good. The paint looks super good. Everything just went exactly how I wanted it to go. Look at that, guys. The body work turned out beautiful. The clear coat looks beautiful. Everything about this job just went super smooth, besides the fact that I painted it the wrong color once. But that's not a big deal. Look at this thing. I'd be happy with it. Would you guys be happy with that? Look at that. This thing is slick, man. No trash, nothing. Look at that.